Attention renters, are you ready to ditch your landlord, dying to own your own home? This video is for you. My name is Andrew Tahanchuk with Cornerstone Home Lending, and let's chat about what you can do right now to prepare yourself for home ownership. Number one, start saving. I know, you probably already knew this, but saving is an important part of being prepared for home ownership. If you haven't already, create a really strong budget and start setting aside $100 a month into your savings. Over time, you'll see that number grow and you'll have a fantastic foundation when it comes time to buy a home. Number two, work on your credit. Whether you feel like your score is healthy or needs some work, here are some ways to raise your score. Reduce your debt by paying down credit cards, car loans, and student loans. Pay all your bills on time and consistently, even early if you can. Make sure you're only using about 30% of your credit card limit. Lastly, check your credit report to see if there's any collection accounts you need to dispute. It may take some time to raise your score, but it's so worth it in the end, so get started right now. Number three, talk to me. As you think about buying a home, it's so important to talk to people who understand the market and can help you create a game plan. I'd love to connect with you and answer any question you have about getting started. I know buying a home can be a little overwhelming, so I hope this video helped prepare you for your future home buying purchase. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you're ready to take the next step into home ownership, follow these tips and reach out when you're comfortable.